If your Subaru Impreza Apple CarPlay keeps disconnecting or won't connect at all, you can fix it today without a trip to the dealership. Data shows that 85% of smartphone connection failures in Starlink infotainment systems are caused by bad USB cables. Let's run through the official troubleshooting playbook to isolate the issue and restore your navigation and music. First, perform a hard reboot of both your iPhone and the Subaru Starlink head unit by holding down the volume knob. Always use an official Apple or MFI certified cable because cheap cords only charge your phone without transferring data properly. Next, dig into your iPhone settings under Screen Time Restrictions to ensure CarPlay wasn't accidentally disabled globally. Distinguish between a software glitch that a reset can fix and a physical USB port failure inside the center console. Our data indicates that over half of these Impreza issues disappear entirely after swapping out the connection cord. If you are still stuck, delete your Impreza from your phone's CarPlay menu and delete the phone from your car's memory. Older Impreza models may require a firmware update from the dealership to maintain compatibility with modern iOS versions. A tiny bit of pocket lint inside your phone port can prevent the data pins from making a reliable connection. Hit subscribe for more simple automotive tech fixes and enjoy a fully connected drive in your Subaru Impreza.